Understanding noble cause, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the beauty and intricacies of the English language. Today, we're delving into a fascinating phrase, noble cause. This phrase is not just about words, but about the values and ideals they represent. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. A noble cause refers to a goal or an objective that is admirable, honorable, and morally upright. It often implies a pursuit that benefits others or society as a whole, rather than just the individual. This phrase carries a sense of ethical high ground and selflessness. It's commonly used in contexts where people are working towards something bigger than themselves, such as social justice, charity work, or environmental conservation. The term noble has its roots in Old French and Latin, meaning distinguished by rank or title. Over time, it evolved to also imply moral excellence or admirable qualities. The word cause refers to a principle or an aim. When combined, noble cause encapsulates the idea of striving for something that is both morally commendable and purposeful. This phrase is often found in political, social, and humanitarian contexts. To help you better understand how to use noble cause in a sentence, here are some examples. 1. She dedicated her life to the noble cause of education for underprivileged children. 2. The community rallied together for the noble cause of preserving the local park. 3. His philanthropic efforts were driven by a belief in a noble cause. Understanding synonyms can deepen your comprehension of noble cause. Here are some: worthwhile pursuit, honorable mission, virtuous endeavor, righteous objective. These phrases share a similar connotation of pursuing something with moral or ethical significance. In conclusion, noble cause is a powerful phrase that encapsulates the essence of moral righteousness and altruistic endeavors. It's a term that inspires and motivates, reminding us of the impact we can have through selfless actions. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of noble cause for you. Keep exploring the English language, and remember, every word is a step towards greater understanding and communication. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.